So choose your associations carefully, especially when you've matured enough and you know you don't have time. There's no way you have to waste a minute hanging out with people you have no business with. It is important for you to be by yourself than to hang out with people that are taking you away from the destiny, purpose, and plan God has placed in your life. Maybe one day I have to treat the subject atmosphere. Certain atmospheres can enhance your grades. Certain atmospheres can also dampen your grades. You have to make a choice. Don't go to a place where your grace is not celebrated. Don't go to a place where somebody is so insecure that when they see the hand of God with your life in a particular area, they feel threatened and they want to sit on you. Go to a place that a space is given so that they can freely flow in the grace of God.